Hello everyone, my name is Dedi. I come from Indonesia and today I want to make video and I want to show you about how to PH from your bonus wallet that available for withdrawal. You can see here in my development page, you can see about available for withdrawal about 0.0101669 BTC, and I want to provide help this amount, and I want to show you. The first thing you do, you go to the page of dashboard, you click dashboard, and then you go to you scroll down, you click about I want to provide help. Choose your macro you need. I need 30% of macro. Then I want to PH or provide help about this amount. Deposit way, bonus wallet, okay? This amount. Just type here. Type here. Okay. Now I copy paste this amount. Okay, I just copy this amount, then I paste here. About $40. Okay. Deposit sum. I choose macro 30%. I have filled the amount of my profit help. Then I choose from my bonus wallet. So I input my password here. Then I click provide help. Okay, that's all you have to do to provide help from your bonus wallet. You can see here about this box. Yes, this box after you provide help, but from your bonus wallet you can see that box, but you can see in my development that you made it your bonus wallet less than before, so you are available for withdrawal become 0 now. Your total PH increase. Okay, important thing is here my personal weekly volume. Okay, and you can see your macro, the way to compound your macro. Compound how to say in English. I'm from Indonesia, sorry if my English bad. Yes, this is about my profit share on 18th of March for 30% divided into 3 part of body of profit help. This is about $40. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. I think you can do it. Together we can do it. Together we can change the world. Thank you for watching. See you and bye.